Have you ever heard of a weapon so powerful it changed naval warfare forever, but was invented almost by accident? Let's dive into the fascinating story of the torpedo. Our story begins in the mid-19th century with an Austrian naval officer named Giovanni Luppies. He wasn't trying to create a world-changing weapon. His idea was much simpler, a small, unmanned boat packed with explosives that he could steer from the shore using ropes. He called it the Salvacosti, or Coast Saver. It was meant to defend harbors, not attack ships on the open sea. But there was a big problem. The ropes were clumsy, and the clockwork engine he used was unreliable. It just didn't work very well. Frustrated, Luppies nearly gave up. But then, he met a British engineer named Robert Whitehead. Whitehead saw the potential in Luppies' flawed idea. He thought, what if we could get rid of the ropes and make it run underwater, on its own? This was the real game changer. Whitehead ditched the surface boat design and created a sleek, cigar-shaped device that could travel underwater. His biggest challenge was depth control. Early prototypes would either sink to the bottom or pop up to the surface. Whitehead's breakthrough was a device he called the Secret, a hydrostatic valve and pendulum system that used water pressure to keep the torpedo at a constant depth. It was brilliant. He also replaced the weak clockwork motor with a powerful compressed air engine, giving it the speed and range it needed to be a true threat. In 1866, the first self-propelled torpedo, the Whitehead torpedo, was born. Navies around the world were stunned. Suddenly, a small, cheap boat could sink the largest, most expensive battleship. It completely upended naval strategy. The age of the mighty battleship, the dreadnoughts, was now challenged. Submarines, once a niche curiosity, became deadly predators thanks to this new weapon. From the World Wars to modern naval conflicts, the torpedo, an idea that started as a humble coast saver, has left an undeniable mark on history. It just goes to show how a single spark of innovation, even one born from a failed project, can change the world.